Go.
Assalamualaikum. This is our group assignment. Our topic is COVID-19 emergency ward database. Our group members is Muhammad Fizuddin, Muhammad Shukri, Muhammad Alif and Muhammad Razi. Okay. Introduction and background. Uh, Emergency depart in most countries have been on the front line meeting the undifferentiated patient presenting with a variety of complaints that represent the disease. We document the measures taken by a busy emergency department in Malaysia in managing the outbreak, outline the reason for these various measures, their limitation and details of implementation, and suggest approaches for the long-term role of emergency medicine in the community management of COVID-19 pandemic and future communicable public health emergencies. We first describe the background against which the changes in the emergency department were implemented. Subsequently, we begin with the reception of patients and discuss screening procedures, triage, isolation, medical care in resuscitation, critical trolley areas, ambulatory patient, and the role of observation. Finally, we elaborate on the need for emergency medicine to take the lead in addressing screening of clusters of this infection and the role of surveillance research. Next, problem statement. Since the pandemic of COVID-19 emerged, the whole wide world has quickly responded to the public health emergency. The health sectors are having difficulties to organize and identify grouping of COVID-19 patients that might having other disease and need to be treated such as diabetes, leukemia, pregnant women and more. Thus, a COVID-19 database emergency ward database information system is needed to create to enable the hospital management runs efficiently. Information system objective. First, to help the hospital management maintain the data on grouping of COVID-19 patients that might having other disease and needed to be treated. Second, can help workers from the hospital to do their job based on the disease. Third, help the management to track the situation. And last, selection of employees to perform a given job. Significance of study for the government. This study will assist the government in identifying the estimate financial allocation to be channeled to the Malaysian Ministry of Health. The government can supply all the necessary facilities in the emergency ward to deal with the problem of COVID-19 pandemic. Then Malaysian Ministry of Health. This study will assist the Ministry of Health to list the number of health workers responsible for treating patients in the emergency ward. In addition, the Ministry of Health can make data to be sent to the government in the provision of all facilities to treat the COVID-19 epidemic. Then third, patients help the patient take steps to quarantine and maintain distance from people around. Inform the Ministry of Health so that they can identify close contacts and as well as create data at the same time identify the cluster. For the ARD model, we have 6 entities. First, government, government address, government type, government ID. Then hospital, we have hospital name, hospital address, and hospital ID. So the relationship between government and hospital is managed, and relationship is one to many. So for hospital and emergency ward, we have a relationship is one to one. Then emergency ward to doctor, the relationship is one to many. Then the entity for doctor and patient, the relationship is many to many. For patient to medicine, the relationship is one to many.
Okay, next I will present about Microsoft Access. So for the Microsoft Access, we have doctor table. Okay. So for the doctor table, we have doctor name, doctor ID, doctor email, and emergency ward doctor.id. So as we see, this is all the detail for the doctor. Okay, next. Okay, next for the table emergency ward, we have emergency ward name, emergency ward .id, emergency ward number, hospital address. Okay, so all this, all the detail for the emergency ward, as you see. Okay, next. Okay, for the government, we have government address, government type, and government ID. So for the government, we all take for 5 states. That is Selangor, Kedah, Johor, Melaka, and Kelantan. Okay, this is all the detail for the emergency ward. Okay, next we will go to hospital name, hospital. That is we have hospital name, hospital address, government address, hospital email, and hospital ID. So as we know that hospital we will include 5 states. Okay, so this is for the Kelantan Hospital, Melaka Hospital, Kedah Hospital, and Selangor Hospital. Okay, next. Okay, next table we have medicines. Okay, so for the medicines, we have medicine type, medicine description, medicine ID, and patient names. So patient names will be as a foreign key. Okay, these all the details. Next. Okay, for the patient table, we have patient's name, patient ID, patient age, patient number, phone, and doctor name. Okay, so doctor name will be foreign key. Okay. Okay, that's all from me.
Okay, next is about VB programming. So for the first, the objective of VB programming is to help the hospital management maintain the data on grouping of COVID-19 patient that might having other disease and needed to be treated. Second, can help workers from the hospital to do their job based on the disease. Third is help the management to track the situation, and the last is selection of employees to perform a given job. Next. So this is VB programming. So they have two forms. So for the first form, figure shows a form of COVID-19 patient information. The system allows user to get further information about the patients. A user is a common to choose any particular patient and press login to access their further information, which is private. And the last is to choose patient, button next and previous can be common. Next. Okay, this is form 1 after run. So the patient information to be chosen appear like in the figure. Next. Okay, so for the second form, once the login button is commanded, the private information such in the figure will appear. Other than that, to choose patient, button next and previous can be common. After being done, exit button can be used and be brought to form 1. Next. So this is form 2 after run. There can the patient private information to be chosen appear like in the figure. Next. So in the conclusion, what we all can conclude, we are able to properly connect the data information from the database system to a presentable model using the model using the Microsoft Access and Visual Studio application. In consequence, the approach was to know and handle information system in database. The database build will also enable the doctor to keep track of the medication needed by the patient or where the hospital address and patient. That's all for our slide.
Okay, this is our group Visual Basic. We have two form. In form 1, we have a patient name, patient ID, patient age, patient number phone, doctor name, medicine type, medicine description, and medicine ID. In form 1, if you want to know the patient details or the patient or the doctor name that treat the patient or the medicine type that the patient need. So you can just select the patient name with click the button next or previous, and then after you find the patient name that you want, so you can know the about the patient details and the doctor name that treat the patient and the medicine type that patient need. And then after you click the button login, it will go to the second form. Okay, in second form, we have the patient name, emergency ward name, emergency ward doctor ID, emergency ward number, and hospital name, hospital address, and government address. In form 2, the function also same with the form 1, but in form 2, if you want to know about details of emergency ward that patient stay or the hospital where hospital that patient stay, so you can go through to the form 2, and you if you want to select the patient, you can just click the button next or previous, and after you find the patient name, you will know the emergency ward number and where hospital name that patient stay. And the last one is button exit. Button exit will bring you back to the form 1. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Done.